You do not need to remove the front bumper to fix a burned-out Chevy Equinox headlight. That old method takes hours and requires special tools. There is a much faster shortcut hiding right behind your front tires. It takes just 10 minutes. Start by turning your steering wheel all the way inward on the side with the bad bulb. This creates the space you need to work inside the wheel well. You will see several small screws holding the plastic fender liner in place. Grab a Torx screwdriver and remove those 3 or 4 screws along the edge of the fender. Once the screws are out, firmly grab the plastic liner and pull it back towards the tire. This opens a clear window to the headlight. Reach inside the opening and feel for the large, round dust cap on the back of the headlight assembly. Give that plastic cap a firm counterclockwise twist to unlock it. Pull the cap off and set it aside in a safe spot. Now you can easily reach the burned-out bulb connector. Twist the base of the bulb counterclockwise to pull it out of the housing. Unclip the old bulb from the wiring harness and snap your brand new bulb into place. Carefully insert the new bulb back into the headlight housing and twist it clockwise to lock it. Put the dust cap back on tightly to prevent moisture leaks. Finally, push the wheel well liner back and reinstall the screws.